Record. Hey guys, it's Mr. Whitman here, back at it again with one of these walkthrough of your guys' packets. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pretty much go through every single page of your packet with you so you guys can kind of sort of understand what we're doing, okay? So let's look at this schedule. Use this, again, like I said last week, use this as kind of like a checklist of things that you have to do for the day. So as of tomorrow, when you get this, first thing you should probably do is read or watch the lecture notes that I give you, which are going to be the PowerPoints. So go in there and make notes if you want. Just take notes of that and answer the questions at the end of the PowerPoint. So I can't check to make sure that you did those, but make sure that you do it, okay? Because that's going to be something going forward. Hint, hint, on quizzes, right? It's the same test questions from the PowerPoints that are going to be on your quiz, okay? So make sure that you're paying attention to that. Tuesdays, students will answer the assessment on page 465, and you'll write and define the key terms for 9.1. So really, since we're talking about World War II, it's going to be a little bit less condensed. We're going to spread it out a little bit. So we're, instead of taking a chapter per day, it's going to be 9.1 for 2 days, 9.2 for 2 days, and then so on and so forth. So remember, class, on Friday, we're going to have our office hours meetings from 3 to 4. And again, those are going to be discussing your grades. I'll be, making contact with your parents if I can't get a hold of you, if you don't turn in your work, so on and so forth. Monday, you're going to have a quiz, which is already here. So Tuesday, May 19th, you're going to read and watch 9.3, The Holocaust. So that's going to be the name of the chapter. And then I sent you guys a summary of Night by Elie Wiesel. May 3rd, which I want you to read. Then I want you to answer the questions on the horror of the Holocaust as described by Night that I went ahead and I sent to you guys. So these class are going to be pretty much the PowerPoint slides, right? These are the PowerPoint slides. So let's look at this real quick. So for the question 2 questions, I went ahead and I wrote down the assessments for the 3 that you guys have to do. So right answer number 1 through 5. So why did the Western powers follow a policy of appeasement, even though it seemed to encourage more aggression? And just basic answer the questions in complete sentences. You guys know how to do this. Pretty simple. This is going to be your guys' chapter 3 summary of Night by Elie Wiesel. It's a memoir of a man who survived the Holocaust in Auschwitz. And we'll talk about that more in some of my lectures that we're going to talk about. Here, guys, is the quiz, 9.1 and 9.2 quiz. Here's a hint. The answers are in the lecture. So read the PowerPoints, right? So that's pretty much it, class. I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Have a good day.